this video we're going to use the loadVars class again to load the information text about each slide. Before this gets too intense, let's make this function into commented area. Type a single line comment above this function and type next pick function. And then below it, another single line comment, type next pick function. We're just going to be adding a lot of stuff to this function, so it's going to get pretty intense in a second. Alright, click before that single line comment, press enter a few times. I'm going to create a new loadVars object by typing var space info, capital L, capital V, colon, loadVars, space equals space, new loadVars, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. Creating a new instance of the loadVars class called InfoLV. All the stuff it's going to do is going to be inside of this function. So after the my mcl.load line, press enter and type info lv dot load open parenthesis open quote picks slash pick close quote space plus space current pick with capital P space plus space open quote dot txt close quote close parenthesis semicolon. So you're saying to load that variable just like your movie clip loader loads the proper JPEG file into your SWF. You're having your loadVars object load the corresponding text file. Notice the variable is the same here. Doing the same thing in this code as we are in the code above it. Now press enter and type info capital L capital V dot onload space equals space function open parenthesis P underscore success colon boolean with capital B close parenthesis colon void with capital V. Remember, onload is an event handler for the movie clip loader class. You can initiate this when the variable is loaded so that nothing happens until the variable is loaded. Or in other words, Flash won't try to display the text before the variable is loaded. That's why you'd use this. The P underscore success parameter is a Boolean or true or false parameter. It's true if the variable is loaded already. So press enter. Open bracket, enter again, close bracket, up arrow, enter. Now we're going to do a conditional statement to say if the variable is loaded, then do this. If not, do this. So type if, open parenthesis, P underscore success, close parenthesis, enter, open bracket, enter, close bracket, up arrow, enter. And then if the variable is loaded, then we want the text to appear in the text block on the stage. So type txt underscore info dot text space equals space info lv dot info semicolon. Go down to the close bracket of the if statement, press enter and type else, enter, open bracket, enter, close bracket, up arrow, enter. Now we're going to give an error message if it doesn't work right. Type txt underscore info dot text space equals space open quotes error loading file close quote semicolon. Now test the movie and see if it works right. Okay, I have HTML in my text block. So remember we did this earlier. If you want to use HTML, instead of just .text, you'd have to say .html, text with capital T. Now if I test it, it works just fine. Looks like the font's a little bit bigger than I want it. I'm going to extend this block a little bit. Move it over and change the font size to 9. Now when I test the movie, it looks a little bit cleaner. There we go. And so that's how you add informational text with your slideshow. In the next video, we're going to add the text at the bottom, so it will say slide 1 out of 6, 2 out of 6, etc.